What's the difference between the verb sit, S-I-T, and set, S-E-T? A lot of people do confuse those two verbs. So let's start with sit. Sit means to rest, as in, my house sits on a cliff overlooking the ocean. But sit also means to be seated in an upright position, as in, we sit on the shore looking at the sunset. Now, S-I-T, sit, is an intransitive verb, which means there's never an object following S-I-T. It will indicate where you're sitting or when you are sitting, but not what after S-I-T. Now, the verb forms for S-I-T are as follows. Present tense, today I sit on the shore. Past tense, yesterday I sat on the shore. Present participle, I am sitting on the shore. And past participle, I have sat on the shore. Now, in contrast, we have the verb set, S-E-T, which simply means to place or put something. In other words, it's going to answer whom or what after the verb set, S-E-T. As in, Sam set the trap to catch the mouse. Sam set what? The trap. It's a form of set, S-E-T. Or, Sue set the alarm clock for 7 o'clock. Or, Sue set the table. For set, the present tense of set is today I set the table. Past tense, yesterday I set, S-E-T, the table. Present participle, I am setting the table. And past participle, I have set the table. Notice it has the form set in every single one of those different forms, which is different from S-I-T. It's unique, isn't it? So let's take a look at a few sentences and see if you can determine if it's sit or set. Here's the first sentence. California sets or sits on a major earthquake fault. So in other words, California rests on a major earthquake fault, which means it sits, S-I-T-S. I set or sat my vase onto the table. Now in this case, I set, S-E-T, I set what? My vase. It answers whom or what. It's the transitive verb. It's going to be S-E-T. And here's the last sentence. Where are you sitting or setting in the theater? Well, in this case, it's an intransitive verb. Where are you sitting? S-I-T-T-I-N-G. Notice it doesn't answer whom or what afterwards. It's just sitting in an upright position. Sit, S-I-T-T-I-N-G. Now, there is one small exception for S-E-T, set, where you do not have an object following it, but it's the only exception. And it comes from the word sunset, spelled S-U-N-S-E-T. Now, if you said sunset in a different way, it would be something like the sun rises in the east and sets, S-E-T-S, in the west. Why is it that way even though there is no object following set? Because it comes from the word sunset, spelled S-U-N-S-E-T. And it's just that simple. So in summary, remember, S-I-T means to rest or to be seated in an upright position, and it's an intransitive verb. Set, on the other hand, S-E-T, is a transitive verb. It answers whom or what after the verb, and it simply means to place or put something, as in, Sam has set the trap to catch the mouse. And it's just that simple. So thanks again for watching. We'll see you in the next video.